As Sonam Wangchuk continues his hunger strike from the hospital, he is not the only one on hunger strike at the Cockroach Janata Party protest site. As you know, Oishi Ghosh from the Students Federation of India. To refresh your memories, Oishi Ghosh was attacked very brutally at the JNU hostel in 2020. You remember those visuals? Your hunger strike coincided with the day that Sonam Wangchuk was forcibly taken to the hospital by the government and the Delhi police. What was the intention behind starting the strike, and what was the intention behind being present here?
To tell this government that if they try to forcibly remove one Sonam Wangchuk, there will be thousands, millions of students, youth who will be inspired. But doing the hunger strike yesterday was a decision that how the government has shown apathy, not only in the last 1 month, but forcibly almost kidnapping Sonam sir from the stage in the mask of telling people that they want to care, which is actually not the thing, is something that has disturbed us all.
Different students have also been on hunger strike on behalf of the SFI for the past few days. How do you see the government's response? Because while Sonam sir's hunger strike has entered its 21st day, the CJP's indefinite protest has entered its 30th day today. And the government refuses to engage.
The government is trying to not engage with this movement, this protest, so that they are not held more accountable. They want to portray this movement as a B team of terrorists, anti-national activities funded by Pakistan, China, and several other things. Now even before Sonam sir had been meeting many people in this government, going for delegations. Now suddenly they have started even creating misinformation propaganda about Sonam sir also. So various things are happening. The point is how much we are able to carry forward our struggle, carry forward our movement. That's the test of time at this moment, and that is where we are united, that we have to carry this law.
It is less than 24 hours for the parliament session to begin. The Cockroach Janata Party has declared that it will march to the parliament if Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation does not take place. Is everybody present here ready to march to the parliament and face whatever consequences come their way?
Yeah, we are ready to face the consequences, absolutely. It's not that we fear this government or its tactics, but we also know that this government tomorrow, using its machinery, will do everything to run propaganda, everything to stop this protest. We are prepared, well prepared for it, and we will unitedly march forward. Whatever might the situation be, we all will be there, hands in hand, taking the message forward that we are not going to move an inch back. We are going to go ahead and keep the dreams of those students who have lost their lives because of this pathetic examination system alive. Their families are looking up to all of us that we are fighting this battle. We will make sure we will march forward peacefully.